बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हो आप लोग? सो वेलकम यू अगेन इन मैक्सिमस। सो इट इज अ डिजिटल लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म टू प्रोवाइड you quality education. So in Maximus, me and my team prepare a quality content for you to empower you with the best of the best knowledge. So this thing is going to make learn everything faster, not only faster, but also going to clear all your concept, right? So in today's topic, we are going to start what? Your favorite topic, and your favorite topic is the line and angles, right? So we need to understand the concept of lines and angles, right? So before going to move forward, first we will understand what is a point, right? And thereafter we will understand how line makes and what is the uses of lines, right? Thereafter we'll move to angles, right? So what is point? The point is a, so this is point. Let's take this is a point, right? Point क्या होता है? Point is a place, right? अगर मैं किसी चीज को अगर point out करता हूँ, so we can say this is a destination, this is a place, right? By this we denote any places, right? Place. So this is a point, right? And if we put infinite number of points in a both the direction, so if we will connect both the all the point, so that will make what? That will make line, right? Point क्या होता है? एक place होता है, destination होता है, right? और मैं infinite number of points को दोनों direction में अगर place करता हूँ, तो वो क्या बनाएगा? That will make line, right? Hope you understand this concept. और मैं क्या करूँगा? और इस लाइन को मैं अगर दो डॉटेड लाइन से अगर डिनोट करता हूँ, दो प्लेसेस पे दो डॉटेड लाइन डालता हूँ, so between these two dotted lines, this will be known as what? This will be line segment, right? So this will be known as line segment. And अगर मैं मल्टीपल पॉइंट्स अगर एक लाइन में मैं अगर ड्रॉट करता हूँ, so all these points will be known as, so this line will be known as collinear line. Suppose this is A, this is B, this point is C and this point is D. So this A, B, C, D is a collinear line, right? Hope your concept of line and points are clear. So if this is clear, so we can move ahead and we can go for angles. We are ready to understand the concept of angles, right? So let's understand the angle. So what is angle? So if you have a torch, right? अगर तुम्हारे पास एक टॉर्च है, ठीक है, दो टॉर्च अगर हो और अगर टॉर्च को अगर आप जलाओगे, है ना, टॉर्च को अगर ऑन करोगे, सो क्या उससे निकलेगा? उससे लाइट निकलेगी, राइट? और लाइट को आप क्या करते हो? नाइट के टाइम में उसे आप फ्लैश कर सकते हो। और अगर दो लाइट को अगर एक साथ आप जलाते हो, दो टॉर्च को, तो उससे जो रे निकलती है, that makes an angle, right? So what is the definition of angle? Suppose you have a torch, two torch here, right? And both the torch को अगर आप जलाते हो, एक की लाइट इस तरफ जाएगी, दूसरे की लाइट इस तरफ जाएगी, राइट? दो डायरेक्शन में आप किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप टॉर्च को जला सकते हो, ठीक है, ऑन कर सकते हो। तो दोनों क्या जनरेट करेगी? जनरेट एन एंगल बिटवीन, एंड जो आपके हाथ में जो टॉर्च है, दैट विल बी नोन एज वर्टेक्स, राइट? सो व्हाट इज एंगल? सो एंगल को हम डिफाइन कैसे करेंगे? So we can define angle as when two rays originate from same point, right? So this is ray 1 and this is ray 2. When two rays originate from the same point, right, then angle is formed. मैंने क्या बोला? अगर आपके पास दो टॉर्च हो और आप उसे ऑन करते हो, ठीक है, तो दो रेज निकलेंगी, राइट? एक आप दोनों किसी भी डायरेक्शन में टॉर्च के रेज को आप डाल सकते हो, ठीक है, और आपका जो हैंड है, that will make an vertex. So this point is known as vertex, and this is the ray 1 and this is ray 2. So that will make an angle, right? So hope you understand the concept of angle rays and vertex, right? So there are so many kinds of angle. आप अपने हैंड को किसी भी डायरेक्शन में रोटेट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? आप अपने हैंड को जब भी किसी भी डायरेक्शन में रोटेट करोगे, सो एट एवरी प्लेसेस दैट विल मेक एन सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ एंगल, ठीक है? वो हर एक प्लेसेस पे कुछ न कुछ तरीके का वो एंगल बनाएगा, राइट? सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द काइंड्स ऑफ एंगल, राइट? अगर आपने अपने हैंड को क्लोज रखा, बोथ द हैंड को क्लोज रखा, तो क्या होगा? एंगल जो बनाएगा दैट विल बी एन एक्यूट एंगल, acute angle, right? So what is acute angle? When the angle between your both the you know, अगर आपने जो एंगल बनाया है and that is less than आपका जो एंगल है, so that is less than how much? 90 डिग्री। मीन्स अगर ऐसे आपने अगर हैंड रखा है और ऐसे अगर आपने अगर टॉर्च को रखा है, तो that will make an angle less than 90 डिग्री, ठीक है? So this is known as acute angle. So this is also known as acute angle. You can understand this acute angle as acute angle, right? What is the right angle? जब आप अपने हैंड को बोथ को अगर इस तरीके से रखोगे, ठीक है? एक हैंड को इस तरीके से, ठीक है? एक टॉर्च को और दूसरे टॉर्च को इस तरीके से रखोगे, so that will make an perpendicular angle. So this is also known as perpendicular, and the concept is known as right angle, ठीक है? This is known as right angle. Hope you understand this, right? Thereafter, अगर आपने अपने हाथ को उल्टा करके रख दिया, ठीक है, अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में रख दिया, so what will happen at that time? The angle is greater than 90 and less than 180. क्या हो रहा है कि अगर हमने इस तरीके से रखा, so this kind of angle will make, right? So in that case, so this will be angle will be your angle. This is the theta. We denote angle with a theta, right? We denote angle with a theta. So in obtuse angle, the theta will be how much? The theta will be less than 180 degree, right? And will be greater than how much? Greater than 90 degree, ठीक है? So this is a greater than and this is a less than, right? And what is straight line? When you have a straight line, so the complete angle is known as straight line. So what is the angle or complete angle of a straight line? So this is 180 degree. So when you get the question, the angle of a straight line, so this will be 180 degree, right? What is the reflex angle? So reflex angle. So what is reflection? जब आप मिरर में कोई चीज देखते हो, अगर मान लो कि इस तरफ कुछ है, ठीक है, और मिरर में जब देखोगे तो उसके दूसरे तरफ आएगा, ठीक है? So suppose अगर इसके इस तरफ अगर ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे मिरर लगाऊं तो मिरर तो पीछे की तरफ दिखेगा, ठीक है? ऑल द एंगल्स, इसके पीछे में जितने भी एंगल्स आ रहे हैं, ये नीचे में जितने भी एंगल्स बन रहे हैं, so all angles will be known as what? Reflex angle. So reflex angle का वैल्यू कितना होगा? तो अगर 180 डिग्री अगर ऊपर में आ रहा था, ऊपर से लेके यहाँ तक जितने भी एंगल आएंगे, so all will be known as reflex angle. तो यहाँ पे थीटा का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? So theta will be how much? Theta will be less than 360 डिग्री, ठीक है? And theta will be greater than 180 डिग्री, ठीक है? So this is denoted in theta, और इसको क्या बोलते हैं? डिग्री बोलते हैं, right? So this is known as reflex angle, correct? Hope you understand this. Then what is a full angle? और अगर एक सर्कल बन जाए, in case of circle, ठीक है, अगर एक सर्कल बन जाए, तो सर्कल के बीच का जो एंगल होता है वो कितना एंगल बनाता है? कंप्लीट साइकिल को रोटेट करता है, that complete cycle is an 360 degree. So what is the full angle? Full angle is of 360 degree. So hope you understand the concept of angles and all the concept of acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight line, reflex angle and full angle, right? So once again revised angle. अगर आपके पास एक टॉर्च हो और टॉर्च अगर दो टॉर्च हो और आपने उस टॉर्च को ऑन किया हो तो you can make an angle. Ray 1 and ray 2 both the rays will make an angle. ठीक है? So that will angle will and the point where you hold the torch is known as vertex of that angle, right? So this concept of angle and all the kinds of angle, hope you understand, right? So can we move ahead now? Yes, we should move ahead now, right? So there are again different kinds of angle, right? हमने पहले एंगल्स को समझा, ठीक है? अब कौन से एंगल को क्या बोलते हैं वो हमें समझना है और उस चीज को हम ज्योमेट्री में कैसे यूज करेंगे while solving the problems, how we will use the angle, so that we need to understand, right? So let's understand that concept, right? So what is equal angle? Equal angle से equal होना चाहिए, मीन्स अगर किसी लाइन पे दो एंगल अगर इक्वल अगर दिख रहा हो तो उस दो एंगल या दो से ज्यादा एंगल इक्वल दिख रहे हो तो दैट विल बी नोन एज एन इक्वल एंगल, राइट? तो इस पूरे सारे पिक्चर्स में कौन सी वैसी लाइन है जो कि इक्वल दिख रही है हमें, है ना? अरे वाह, हियर वी कैन सी एन इक्वल एंगल्स. सो this is an equal angle. We can see the 46 degree and 134 and 134 seems like an equal angle, right? Then we have angle bisector. What is bisector? जब कोई लाइन किसी एंगल को इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहा हो, ठीक है? So that will be known as angle bisector, right? So in this picture you can see एक एंगल है, एंगल A, B and C, ठीक है? ये सब कुछ एंगल है एंड एक लाइन है BD and this line BD bisecting angle this ABC, ठीक है? तो we can say this angle ABD is equals to angle DBC. So both angle will be equal and this is known as their line BD is an angle bisector and angle ABD and angle DBC are equals. Hope you understand the concept of angle bisector. What is interior angle? एक पॉलीगॉन है, राइट? सो दिस इज ए बिग पॉलीगॉन. कितने साइड हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 साइड्स, ठीक है? सो अगर इसके इस पॉलीगॉन के अंदर में जो भी एंगल्स हैं, सो लाइक दिस एंगल, रेड वाला पार्ट जितना भी है, सो ऑल रेड पार्ट विल बी नोन एज इंटीरियर एंगल. एंड व्हाट इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल? जो भी ब्लू वाले लाइंस हैं, सो ऑल ब्लू लाइंस विल बी नोन एज एक्सटीरियर एंगल, right? Concept is clear, right? So let's move on another part, the complementary angle and supplementary angle, ठीक है? तो complementary angle क्या होता है, ठीक है? अगर एंगल्स को ऐड करने पे, है ना, कितना आता हो, है ना, 90 डिग्री एंगल दैट ऐड अप टू 90 डिग्री, ठीक है? अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन था, अगर ये 90 डिग्री था, एडिशन ऑफ एंगल, सी सपोज दिस इज O, ये क्या है A, ये क्या है B, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे पॉइंट D है, ठीक है? सो दिस 38 प्लस 52 विल ऐड अप टू कितना होगा ये? दिस विल मेक 90 डिग्री, ठीक है? और मुझे अगर कोई क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन में पूछे कि मान लो दिस इज एन एंगल, ठीक है? बट इज हाउ मच इज सप्लीमेंट्री एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, ठीक है? एक बाइसेक्टर है and this is x and this is 40 degree. So what will be the value of x? ठीक है? तो we can say the value of x will be 90 minus 40, that is 50 degree, right? So hope you understand the concept of complementary angle. And what is supplementary angle? तो supplementary angle में क्या होगा कि angle, all the angles adds up to 180 degree, ठीक है? 180 डिग्री कैसे बन रहा था? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन पे बन रहा था, राइट? अब स्ट्रेट लाइन पे कितने भी पॉइंट्स अगर सिमिलर पॉइंट से अगर जनरेट हो रहा हो, वर्टेक्स अगर उनका सेम हो, तो जितने भी एंगल्स बन रहे हैं, जितने भी लाइन एंगल को क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारे के सारे एंगल, सपोज दिस इज x प्लस 1, दिस इज x प्लस 2, दिस इज x प्लस 3, ठीक है? दिस इज x प्लस 4, right? And this is x plus 5. So all the, if we'll add all the angles, so that will make an 180 degree. So that concept is known as supplementary angle. Hope you understand the concept of equal angle, angle bisector, interior angles, exterior angles, complementary angles and supplementary angle. Hope this is clear. So can we move ahead now? है ना, आगे बढ़ूं मैं? चलो, let's do understand some another point, right? So what is this? Is the adjacent angle, the linear pair of angle and vertical opposite angles, right? हमें क्या समझना है? हमें adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? मतलब दोनों जिसके वर्टेक्स सेम हो, जब एंगल बन रहा हो, ठीक है, टू एंगल्स आर एडजेसेंट व्हेन दे हैव कॉमन साइड, है ना, दे हैव कॉमन साइड एंड कॉमन वर्टेक्स. वर्टेक्स तो कॉमन है यहाँ पे, सॉरी, राइट. अगर यहाँ पे अगर ये बन पा रहा है तो यू कैन सी हियर टू एंगल्स आर एडजेसेंट व्हेन दे हैव अ कॉमन साइड. एक कॉमन साइड है यहाँ पे, एक एंगल, अगर ये पूरा का पूरा एक एंगल है और ये अगर एंगल बाइसेक्टर या कुछ भी हो, अगर तीसरा एंगल अगर एक क्रिएट हो रहा हो, तो दे हैव अ कॉमन साइड एंड अ कॉमन वर्टेक्स, दैट इज नोन एज एडजेसेंट एंगल, राइट. व्हाट इज लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स? सो दिस इज हाउ, व्हाट दिस इज अ supplementary angle, right? So a linear pair of angle is formed when two lines intersect, right? When two lines intersect, right, an angle is said to be linear if the adjacent angle formed by two intersect line. तो ये लाइन क्या बता रहा है? ये लाइन एक adjacent angle बना रहा है, ठीक है, intersecting line, and the measure of this is totally 180 degree, ठीक है. ये क्या है? A and B are adjacent angle and the entire angle is known as 180 degree. So the linear pair must add to how much? 100 supplementary angle, ठीक है. और जब supplementary angle बना रहा हो, adjacent angle, है ना, addition of both the angle, so that will make a linear pair of angle, right? और concept is clear, समझ आया, ठीक है. अगर एक supplementary है angle हो, ठीक है, और addition of both the angles, है ना, known as linear pair of angles. What is the vertical opposite angle, right? So vertical opposite means there, as you know, straight there, vertical opposite angles are angles opposite to each other. So this and this angle are opposite, this and this angle are opposite. अगर कोई भी मैं दो लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करूँ, ठीक है, तो ये and ये opposite side है and ये are opposite, ठीक है. So the line, when two line crosses, when the two line crosses, वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल्स आर एंगल्स अपोजिट टू ईच अदर. मींस अगर मैं दो लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट करूं, ठीक है, तो उसके अपोजिट में जो एंगल बनेगा, सो दैट आर नोन एज वर्टिकल अपोजिट एंगल्स. होप द कांसेप्ट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू, ठीक है. आप इसे फिर से समझो, समझ में आ रहा है ना? होप दिस कांसेप्ट इज क्लियर. सो द कांसेप्ट ऑफ एंगल्स आर क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो लेट्स डू सम क्वेश्चंस. So after doing questions, we will understand, our concept will be more clear, right? ठीक है, आगे बढ़ूं. So we, अच्छा मैं तो बैक आ गया, ठीक है. So let's move ahead. Correct? So we have write the complement of each of the following angle. So what is complementary angle? When the two and more than two angles add up, that makes how much? Complementary angles make how much angle? That will make 90 degree, right? So the what is the complementary angle? Complementary angle. So angle, all the angles will add up, will make, and when vertex are same and all the angles will add up, will make how much? 90 degree. So we'll use the concept of this and we'll try to solve all the questions. The first question, the angle between the line is 20 degree, ठीक है. So we need to find out the value of x, and we know that what is the value of complementary angle. So this is x plus 20 equals to 90 degree. So what will be the value of x? X will be 90 minus 20, that will be 70 degree. So here it will make 70 degree with complement with 20 degree. Second point, second question is that is 35 degree, ठीक है. अगर ये 35 डिग्री मेकिंग दिस एंगल इज 35 डिग्री, सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. ठीक है, सो x प्लस 35 will make complementary how much 90 degree. ठीक है, so x will be 90 minus 35, so this will be how much, this will be 55 degree will make complementary with 35 degree. ठीक है, 30 with 90 degree, so 90 itself a complementary angle, so here 0 degree will make complementary complement with 90 degree, and fourth is 77 degree. So if this is 77 degree, right, if this is 77 degree and this is x, so x plus 77 will make complementary angle, and the value of x will be 90 minus 77 will be how much, this will be 12 degree, so x will be 12 degree, so 12 degree make complementary with 77 degree, right? The concept is clear. So in next we have 30 degree, right? So if this is 60 degree and this is x, so x plus 30 will make what, complementary, right? Complement to each other, so x will be how much, 90 minus 30, this will be 60 degree. So hope concept of complementary degree is understood by all of you, right? So can we move ahead? Yes, so definitely we should move ahead, correct? So the next part is we need to find out the supplementary angle, supplement of each of the following angles, right? तो अगर हमें supplement निकालना हो, so what is supplementary angle? तो हमने भी लर्न किया addition of all the angles if the vertices are same, so that will make add up to how much? Add up to how much? 180 degree. ठीक है, so if this is x plus 1, this is x plus 2, and this is x plus 3. ठीक है, so how much this will make? Entire will make add up to 180 degree, right? So we need to find out the supplement of 54 degree. So if this is 180 degree, right, entire straight line is 180 degree and this angle is 54 degree, so we need to find out the value of this x. ठीक है, so x plus 54 degree will make how much? 180 degree, and that's also known as supplement angle, supplement of each other, right? So this will be 180 minus 54. How much will be this? So this will be 6 and this will be 2 and this will be 1. So 126 degree will make supplement with 54 degree, right? So another we have 132 degree, right? So where is 132? This is an angle that make 132 degree and this is x. So x plus 132 will make how much? Add up to 180, that is supplementary angle, right? So the x will be how much? X will be 180 minus 132, that will make what? That will be 8, and this is 58. So the 58 degree will be supplementary angle with make supplement with 138. Similarly, if we have 138, so we can reduce 6. So here 52 degree will make supplement with this angle, right? Hope the concept of supplement angle is understood by all of you, right? Hope this concept is right, understood by all of you, right? So the concept is clear to all of you. So we can we move ahead? Yes, we see. हमें तो बिल्कुल आगे बढ़ना चाहिए क्योंकि हमें तो समझ में आ गया what is the complementary angle, what is supplementary angle, and how we are using in our day-to-day geometry, right? So we should move ahead, correct? So now we have a question. What is the question? If the angle is 30 degree more than, oh, this is the question. So if an angle is 30 degree more than one half of its complement, right? Find the measure of the angle. ठीक है? So हमें क्या समझ में आया कि if an angle is so complementary angle, so this is a complementary. So what is the value of complementary angle? This is a 90 degree. ठीक है? So if an angle is 30 degree more than one half of its complement, ठीक है? तो अगर मान लो अगर एक एंगल अगर द एंगल इज 30x डिग्री, ठीक है, लेट्स कंसीडर द एंगल मेक्स इज, ठीक है, 30 डिग्री. सो एंगल इज x डिग्री, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज x? गिवन इज दैट x इज इक्वल्स टू 30 मोर देन हाउ मच? वन हाफ ऑफ इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट. वन हाफ ऑफ complement. So one half of complement is how much? This is this much. So this will be 30 plus, see, this is 45 degree. So this will make 75 degree. So is this so? Oh my God! So we got the solution. If an angle is 30 degree more than one half of its complement, ठीक है? So the angle is how much? The angle is 75 degree. Right? So find the measure of angles. We got the value. Right? Hope you understand the concept. We considered angle is x degree. So x is how much? X is 30 degree more than half of complement. ठीक है? So we got the value. This is 75 degree. Right? So we have another question. Another question. Angle is equals to 8 times of its complement. ठीक है? So determine the angle, determine its measure, right? तो हमारे पास एक एंगल है, right? हमने क्या किया? Let's consider angle is how much? Angle is x degree, ठीक है? So the concept is of complementary angle. So add up to, all the angles will add up to how much? 90 degree. An angle is equals to 8 times of its complement. ठीक है? अगर ये x है, ठीक है, तो so this is the 8x is equals to 90 degree, right? x कितना होगा? 8x of 90 degree, right? So x will be how much? X will be 90 upon 8, right? तो अगर मैं 90 को डिवाइड करूं 8 से तो कितना निकल के आएगा? So we will get, so 8 into 1, ठीक है, and this is the 10, so this will be 1 again, right, and this will be 5, ठीक है. तो x कितना होगा? An angle equal to 8 times its complement, ठीक है. तो 8 टाइम ऑफ इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट अगर है तो एंगल कितना होगा? ठीक है, एंगल विल बी 11 डिग्री, 11.5 डिग्री. तो 11.5 को अगर 8 टाइम से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो विल मेक द कॉम्प्लीमेंट, ठीक है. सो द एंगल इज 11.5 डिग्री. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द concept. So let's move to another question, right? Two supplementary angle are in the ratio 4:5. So find the value. ठीक है. अब what is supplementary angle? We just now learn the supplementary angle. So what is supplementary angle? Supplementary angle is a straight line. ठीक है. So all the angles add up to how much? That makes how much? That makes 180 degree, right? So the entire angle is 180 degree. So let the ratio is x, angle is x, ठीक है. So if the ratio is x, so the 4:5 is in the form we can say, so this is the 4x and this is the 5x. So this 4x and 5x will add and will make how much? Will make complementary angle, right? So this 9x will make 180 degree, right? So x will be 20 degree. अगर x अगर 20 degree है, so the angles are divided into how much? Angles are divided into 4:5 ratio. ठीक है? So 4x is how much and 5x is how much? So 4x will be 4 into 20 and 5x will be 5 into 20. So this will make 80 degree and this will make 100 degree. So if you add both the angles, that will make 180 degree. Right? Concept is clear. ठीक है? So can we move ahead? Yes, we should definitely move ahead. Right? तो आगे बढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन कौन सा है. ठीक है? So we have one picture. Oh my God. So what is this picture? So this is a straight line. So definitely this is going to be a what? Supplementary angle, right? So let's understand what is the question. The question in the figure, and in a given box, OA and OB are opposite rays. OA and OB are opposite rays. ठीक है? If x is 25 degree, so what is the value of y? And if y is 35 degree, so what is the value of x, right? So we have given, so in first part of the question, x is given. ठीक है? If x is given, if x is 25 degree, so we'll put the value of x here, right? So this angle will be how much? 3 into 25. So this will make how much? 75 degree. ठीक है? So we can add up to, because this is a what? This is supplementary angle. So this will be 2y plus 5 plus 75 is equals to, add up to what make? This will make 180 degree, right? तो अगर आप वो 2y is equals to plus 80 is equals to 180 है, ठीक है? Can we find out the value of 2y? Yes, we can definitely find out the value of 2y. So this will be 100 degree, right? So what will be the value of y? Y will be 100 upon 2. So this will make 50 degree. ठीक है? So what is the value of y? Y is 50 degree. तो समझ आया? First question. Hope you understand the question number 1. So we move to the question number 2. ठीक है? If y is 35 degree, so what is the value of x? We'll put the value of y here. ठीक है? So this is 2 into 35 plus 5. That will make how much? This will be 70 plus 5. Oh, this is again 75 degree. ठीक है? So if this is 75 degree, so adding up both, this will make complementary angle. 75 plus 3x will make 180 degree, right? So the 3x will be 180 minus 75 degree. So what will be the value of x? So this will make 105 degree upon 3. So this will be how much? 35 degree. So what will be the value of x? X is 35 degree. ठीक है? So hope you got the concept, understood the concept. ठीक है? So once we understand the concept of complementary degree and supplementary degree, so we can easily solve all the problems, right? So let's आगे बढ़ें. चलो, let's move ahead. So we have given figure, find x. Further find angle BOC, angle COD and angle AOD. ठीक है? अब ये इन्होंने बोला है what is angle BOC? So angle BOC is this. So angle BOC is this. Angle COD is x and angle AOD is this angle, right? And what is AB? AOB is a straight line. So that makes complete angle is 180 degree. So how can we process? We can process like this. If we add all the value, all the angles, x plus 10 plus x plus 20, so that will make how much? That will make 180 degree, right? So if we understand this, so this is 1x, this is 2x, this is 3x. So this add up to 3x, and this is 10 plus 20, so this is 30 is equals to 180 degree, right? So this is simple linear equation, ठीक है? So 180 minus 30 will make 150 degree, ठीक है? What will be the value of x? So in this case, the value of x will be 150 degree divided by 3, so that will make 50 degree. So if x is 50 degree, so we will put the value at 50 degree here. So 50 plus 10 will make how much? So this will be 60 degree. So angle AOD is, this angle is 60 degree, right? And this is already we found out here. This is 50 degree, and this will be 50 plus 20 will make 70 degree, right? Oh. We lost, ठीक है? तो ऑलरेडी हमने ये 50 निकाला था, ठीक है? So this was 50 degree. हाँ, चलो we got the result, ठीक है? So this is 70. So we can check. So if this is 60 plus 50 plus 70 will make how much? Will make 180 degree. So we can verify our result by adding this all, ठीक है? So we can move ahead. Yes, we should, ठीक है? तो हमें आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. So our next question is this. Oh my God! In a figure, ray OA, OB, OC, OD, and OE have the common end point, so that AOB, angle AOB plus AOD, that makes all angle is 1 and 300. So we all learn a complete cycle in a circle. Complete angle is what? Is 360 degree. ठीक है? अगर entire angle make होता है तो that makes 360 degree. ठीक है? तो हमें ये प्रूफ करना है, करेक्ट? So what I'll do, I'll make a straight line. ठीक है? मैं क्या करता हूँ, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूँ. ठीक है? यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूँ, राइट? ऊपर वाला पार्ट 180 होगा, नीचे वाला पार्ट भी 180 डिग्री होगा, राइट? ठीक है, ऐसे ही कुछ होगा. ठीक है? So let's take this, consider this point as a x and this point as a y. ठीक है? ऐसे y मान लो. ठीक है? So angle, what is angle? Angle x, angle x o y. ठीक, x o c, sorry, angle x o c. So first of all we need to understand, हमें समझना ये होगा कि एंगल जो हमने एक्स वाई लाइन जो हमने बीचों बीच स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ किया, सेंटर से क्रॉस होते हुए, ओ से क्रॉस होते हुए, ठीक है? एंगल एक्स, सो दिस एंगल एक्स ओ वाई विल मेक व्हाट? सप्लीमेंट. ठीक है? एंड एंगल अगर पूरा का पूरा y to y अगर मूव करूं, दैट विल मेक 330. ठीक है? इफ दिस इज सो, ठीक है, तो अगर मैं एंगल निकालूं, एंगल एक्स ओ सी प्लस एंगल व्हाट? सी ओ बी, राइट? प्लस एंगल बी ओ y equals to how much? This will make 180 degree. ठीक है? So this is our equation 1. ठीक है? Now this is the reflex angle. मैं reflex angle में देखूंगा. So in case of reflex angle, angle x o d plus angle d o e plus angle e o a plus angle a o y. All angle are reflex angle, and that is how much? That is also 180 degree. So if we add equation 1, if this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, so if we add equation 1 and equation 2, so this is definitely going to be how much? This is going to be 360 degree. So let's add, है ना? एंगल्स, मुझे ये सारे दो एंगल्स को लिखना है. So this will be angle XOC plus angle CCOB plus angle BOY plus this is the straight line angle, right? Supplementary angle plus we are adding reflex angle. So this is XOD plus angle DOE plus angle EOA plus angle AOY plus is how much will be 180 plus 180. So that will make 360 degree, right? So by this way we prove this question. Hope you understand the concept, right? So let's move on another question, right? तो बच्चों अब हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चन है इन फिगर AOC and BOC फॉर्म है लीनियर पेयर. सो लीनियर पेयर अगर फॉर्म कर रहा हो, ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज द एंगल? एंगल इज अगेन 180 डिग्री. ठीक है, हमने ऑलरेडी लर्न कर लिया था स्टार्ट में. ठीक है, तो इफ a minus 2b equals to 30 डिग्री, तो फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a and b. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले लीनियर पेयर, व्हाट इज द लीनियर पेयर? लीनियर पेयर इज एडिंग अप टू, सबसे पहले एडिंग अप टू a plus b will make 180 degree. So this is equation 1 and another equation already given, a minus 2b equals to 30 degree. So this is equation 1. So b will get the value of a. So a will be how much? A will be 180 minus b. So can we simplify this equation like this? So definitely we can simplify this equation and we'll put the value of a in equation 2. Okay, so this will be 180 minus b minus 2b equals to 30 degree. So this will make 180 degree minus 3b is equals to 30 degree. Okay, so minus 3b will be 30 minus 180 degree. So that will make 100 minus 150 degree. So minus minus got cancel. 3 से अगर divide करूँ, so that will make 50 degree. So what is the angle of B? So B is a how much? B is a 50 degree. So we got the value of B. So we'll put the value of B is 50 degree in equation here. So we'll get the value of A. So A will be 180 minus 50. That will make 130 degree. So we got the value of A and B both. So A is how much? A is 150 degree and B is how much? B is 50 degree, right? So we can also put here. So this is 130 degree and this is 50 degree. So hope you understand the question, right? तो आगे बढ़ूं, ठीक है, समझ में आया? So hope the concept of line angles are pretty clear to all of you. So let's move ahead, right? So again we have a question. Determine the value of x. तो हमें एक दिया हुआ है, फिगर दिया हुआ, we need to determine the value of x. ठीक है, अगर so this is a complete cycle. So if you will see, this is a straight line. ठीक है, straight line makes, sorry. So this is a straight line and straight line makes what? Straight line makes 180 degree, right? And this is a, if this is a complete cycle, the complete cycle makes what? This is a complete angle, 360 degree. So we will use the complete cycle angle, right? तो हमारे पास complete cycle दिया हुआ है. So we have 3x angle plus we have 3x angle plus we have 150 degree plus x degree is equals to how much? Complete cycle angle that is 360. So this 3x will be 6x. 6x plus x will be 7x. So this is 7x plus 150 degree will add up to 360 degree, right? So 7x will be how much? 360 minus 150 degree, right? So this will be how much? 10 plus 200. So this will make 210 degree, right? So the 7x will be 210 degree. So x will be how much? X will be 30 degree, right? So if we got the value of x is 30 degree, so we can also find out. So x we had to find out x, so we got the value of x. So we can also find out the value of x. This is a 30 degree, this will be 90 degree, and this will be 90 degree. So we got the solution, right? So by this way you need to understand, एक बार फिर से आप वीडियो देखो, understand the concept of angles. Once the concept of angle is clear to all of you, so you can easily solve any kind of problem, any kind of picture. अगर फिगर आपके पास आए तो उसे आप इस तरीके से solve कर सकते हो, right? So I think by this we finish the angles and line, the first unit, right? So if you like this video, please like this, share and subscribe our channel so that you get continuously, you get all the updates regularly, right? So thank you very much बच्चों. चलो bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.